With the forehead highlight, if you bring it up too far, it's going to make the person's forehead look big.
Yeah.
She doesn't have a big forehead, so we don't want to make it look big. But turn to the side. So normally, hey friends in beauty, welcome to a day in the life. This is going to be the first official vlog for the Friends in Beauty channel. I actually have something very exciting going on today. I'm going to be doing a one-on-one makeup lesson with another makeup artist. And I've been doing a lot of makeup lessons lately, so I thought, why not bring you all behind the scenes so you can have some fun with us. I'm actually about to go downstairs and go ahead and start getting set up. As you can see, I did not put any makeup on today because I'm going to be wearing a mask anyway, so what's the point? But yeah, I'm about to go downstairs and start setting up. The model and my student should be here soon, so let me go ahead and do that right away. So this is my humble kit setup because my student is going to be working out of her kit. So I just always lay out some of my stuff too, just in case. And then also I have some earrings and stuff over here for our model. So when we take pictures and everything, so when we take pictures and everything, just in case she needs some accessories. So I think my student is actually about to come in. So I'll see you all in a second.
I'm so glad y'all here together.
Aww.
I feel like I made this happen.
Hey, congrats. Look, I literally only see you in Reggae versus Soca.
Yep, that's the time I see you. We always out and about somewhere.
Okay. You allergic to anything? So I always ask you that. Because what you ain't gonna do is try to
Sue me, right?
Put something on your face.
And what unwipes are you using?
This is something from the beauty supply store. So I always just look for something that says cleansing, cleansing wipes. Either the Neutrogena, the Burt's Bees. I use those too.
Okay.
Even if they have moisturizer and stuff on already, I still wipe it off. I know it works with my products. So I'm just taking out a few things. My moisturizer. Right now I'm going to use the Creme de Corpse from Kiehl's on her. Also the Angel Veil primer. I like that for like a smoothing effect. And then actually I'm just trying this out, this NYX NYX Shine Killer. But she said she gets oily in her T-zone, so when I do use a mattifying primer, I only put it in the areas where they get oily. I don't put it all over the face. And I'm looking for her all over color, so that color like that's the most prominent in her skin. I feel like I want to start here first.
Yeah.
And the thing with cream foundations that I like is it allows a lot of room for error. So if you mess up, you can kind of go on top and like adjust it if you need to. I'm gonna start with that one first. And there's so many different ways that I do foundation, but I'll show you one today. With the forehead highlight, if you bring it up too far, it's going to make the person's forehead look big. She doesn't have a big forehead, so we don't want to make it look big. But turn to the side. So normally, some people have those slopes, some people have flat foreheads, but you want to cut it off right where the forehead starts to slope. Okay. So you don't want to bring it above that. That looks great.
This is crazy. All of this really goes into making make. I had no idea. I had no idea. You really had to think. That's why people really don't know what the hell they be doing.
It's serious. And then with the highlight under the eye, but depending on the person, I'll keep it here in the center, or I'll bring it from brow to brow. Because once I contour, it's gonna bring it in anywhere. So normally when I'm doing it, I'm like applying and I'm blending at the same time. So I just didn't want to. I wanted to show you the placement. So I did my skin portion. Now Kyla is doing the skin and it's looking amazing. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can see in a second, but yeah, doing an awesome job. And this is KB. Catching some BTS, some video for us. Can't wait to see the finished product.
On her forehead, right? I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna but you did your placement first, right?
Yes, I always place it from like temple to temple, as close as I can to the hairline first, and then drag it down.
So I guess that's where the where when I was saying like, are you blending at the same time as applying? That's like one of the things. Is it okay if I do that, or should I?
That's
place
fine.
it?
That. Walk me through what you did so far.
Okay, so far, I prepped the skin. I prepped the skin with some Clinique Hydro Jelly and then primed it with Milk Makeup's Hydro Grip Primer. I used some of the Danessa Myricks and Rare Beauty's liquid highlighter and liquid illuminator under this under the foundation. I used AJ Crimson's foundation on the skin for her foundation, and then the Juvia's Place concealer for under her eyes, and then Black Opal for her contour.
Nice.
And I set it with Laura Mercier, some MAC Studio, some MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and then Makeup Forever's Matte Velvet foundation as well.
Nice. Looking good. So the model is looking flawless. Just gonna add some finishing touches. So she's looking good. I had to remember to pick up the phone and say something. Yeah. I might be able to do 2 looks. We shall see.
I don't want to look crossed up.
Getting ready to do some lash. Yes, baby hair.
You're trying to get it on.
Looks so good.
Will this work?
Yeah, that can work. I'll take the black eyeshadow.
Okay.
Cause I love, like, somebody would have to tell me not to put liner on them.
For you not.
I just love lining eyes and smoking out the bottom lashes. So even this video, I'll set it with the black eyeshadow. So whatever's left, but sometimes you might have to wipe off your brush. So she is putting the finishing touches on her second look, and it looks amazing, as you can see. Look at that skin, look at that cheekbone. Yes, look at that face. Yes, she's doing a great job. How you feel about your Skin Queen 101 lesson today? What did you learn?
So I learned how to create this flawless, like truly flawless to the eye and to the camera skin look, and it was such an amazing experience. Akua was very knowledgeable and very patient with all the questions that I had, and she even showed me something that I didn't even know I needed to know. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is because you need to book her so you can find out on your own. But this was an amazing experience. We have a beautiful model here, and I think you should definitely book with her because she's amazing.
Period.
That was good.
Yeah. Lesson all done. Hey. Everybody's about to go about their day. Yeah, I'm about to find me something to eat too. I don't know what it is yet. What size shoe you wear though? Oh, too small for me. I wear 6. Look what my student gifted me. Thank you, Kyla. She has her own brush line, so she gifted me a set from her brush line. I'm so pressed. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to open them yet. But it's all sustainable, so everything is recyclable, sustainable, eco-friendly, and all that good stuff. But these are beautiful. I love it. Give them faith. Yes, I know that's right. Make me blush. Do they all say something different? Oh my gosh. Cheek snatched. Give them face. Just wing it. This is so cute. Just make me blush. Powder me down. All eyes on me. And I look pretty. Oh, I love that. I love that. That's so different. I love that. Thank you, Kyla. All right, so that is the end of today's vlog. I had an amazing time with Kyla today. She is a great makeup artist. I told her she just needs to trust herself and trust the process and stop trying to be a perfectionist, but she did a really, really good job. So thank you so much for coming along with me for my lesson today. If you like videos like this, like if you want to see more vlogs or go behind the scenes with me more often, give this video a thumbs up so I know that you like vlogs. Comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm about to go get some work done. I have some other stuff to do today. Seems like the work never ends, but that's the life that I chose. So I will talk to you again in another video soon. Bye.